Hi everyone, this is Debbie here and welcome to my channel Southern Delight. I am so glad that you tuned in today. Southern Delight is a channel that is all about crafting, cooking, and decorating, and hopefully I'll inspire you to do one of them. Today I wanted to give you a walkthrough on my kitchen. My husband and I bought this house about 5 years ago, and I'm going to show you a picture real quick. Let me put this one up here. This is actually what the house looked like before we bought it. But this was one of our projects that we had actually done several years ago. But this is my kitchen where I do most of my filming at. I just want to do a quick walkthrough. We went in and we put in some new flooring, repainted it of course, and then I got in here and started decorating, which this right here is one of my this right here is a lovely pie safe that my stepfather constructed. He's very talented with woodwork, and he actually made that for me, and I'm so very proud of that. Which, you know, of course, if you've been following me, I do love the Pioneer Woman stuff. That's actually the coloring in the Pioneer Woman. I love that farmhouse country decor, and just the coloring from the dishes and so forth. I put a lot of that into all of my accents, and I know you see me use this hutch quite a bit in a lot of my videos. I decorate for the different holiday seasons and do most of my video and in here for my channel. And of course I'm trying to get ready for fall, and these are just some colors that I've been using, is the orange and the teal blue in this area there. I wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of that. And then let me show you the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick glimpse into my kitchen. It's a very humble kitchen, but I'm going to show you real quickly. This is what the before looked like, and then this is the after. But our next DIY, I said if I got 100 subscribers that I would be replacing my stove. Let me bring you around here so you can see this stove. A 1986 Genair stove. So we went and priced one of these. Well, it's got a downdraft vent, and one of these stoves cost well over $2,500. So a stove is not, that was not in our budget. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to be doing the kitchen probably in the next few months, and I'll do a DIY on that, where we're going to have to actually pull this one out and then put a vent up above it. So you might want to continue following us on that, because we're going to be redoing that area. And then one of my next projects in here, hopefully soon, will be new countertops. But it still needs new countertops and a new backsplash, because we just went and painted the old backsplash that was there. But it is a nice humble kitchen, but it gives that farmhouse feel, and we're quite happy with it.